Hi, I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and today I'm going to give you one simple swing trading idea. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to give you one simple swing trading strategy idea that you can run with. Now, if you'd like to see more, go to the description, click on the link, and you'll get a whole bunch of ideas. But for now, I'm just going to focus on one idea, and that is sticking to the major trend. What does that mean? Well, the easiest way to look at it is to pull up a daily chart of whatever you're looking to trade. And usually, just by looking at it, if you've got a year or so of data, you can tell. Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it sideways? What's it doing? That's the major trend. And if you can see the major trend, one of the best ways to swing trade is just to be in the same direction. So for example, you see an uptrend over the last year or 6 months. Well, all things being equal, chances are it's a little bit better to be long than it is to be short. If you want to be short, you're assuming the market's going to turn around like soon, right? It could. It always can turn around. But if it's been going up, chances are it might still go up. So trading with the major trend is a very nice way to swing trade. Well, how can you do it? Well, you could do things like look at a 200 period moving average. Now, moving averages lag, and so they'll be out of sync a lot of times with the major trend. But a lot of people use them, so they have some good psychological value too. They'll always say, hey, is this instrument above its 200-day moving average? Then I want to be biased long. Another way you could look at is just look at the momentum. Subtract the price today minus the price a year ago, so that you get the difference of them. That will tell you what direction it's going, right? Over the past 200 days, the market's gone up, or the last 100 days, or whatever you use. That will get you on board the major trend also. Those are just a couple ways to get on the major trend. And like I said, there's no guarantee it's going to continue, but all things being equal, it's a nice way to swing trade. Trade in the direction of the major trend. Well, I hope you liked this quick tip. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Maybe you disagree with me. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear it. I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey. Have a great day.